Ano yung um
You know, purple brown is a thing like a thing red thing, but when it's brown, it's poisonous.
which
Like
one?
when you step in it, you'll be out for 1 hour. Oh my god! I saw that limousine. Where? It's here.
Baka ito yung ginamit ni ano? Teka lang ate.
Let's go inside. Natagpuan.
Taas. Can you go there in the middle? Can you smile at Tiffany when I'm taking a picture? Say hi, Tiffany. Look at the humpback whale, oh.
Talaga yung pinakamalaki na yun. Borals, no?
Tignan mo yung mga nakikita nila, oh. Iba-ibang ano.
Oh, look, that's Minecraft.
Okay.
Blue whale.
They are grandmother and grandchildren. Grass. Digging stick.
Wow.
Ito.
Where's the entrance? Aww. Yung mga entrance.
Ay, hindi ka pwede pumasok?
Yeah, of course, in 10 minutes tonight.
In 10 minutes?
10 minutes bago mag-fight.
Ito pala rito, eh.
Returning all items you have played with to their original
Si Tiffany.
location.
Si Tiffany yan.
Thank you.
Tiffany, hi. Go, dali. 10 minutes na lang sa. Ah. Oh, lay down, lay down.
Good afternoon, friends. Good afternoon, friends. Thank you for letting
Fly. Nice. Oh.
Let's go.
Look at mommy, ate. Zako?
Ooh.
Ano pa rin dito?
Let's see.
Oh, careful.
Second dance.